Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India, and in this video we are going to discuss the most important thing, that is interview questions which may be asked in TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1 interview. So we have already discussed these few things. Will there be interviews separately for technical round and HR round? And I had told you no technical interview will be there will be only HR round. But most of you guys are thinking that there will be technical interview also, as you may have heard from anywhere. But I am saying once again that there may be technical interview too. But I am telling you this, that there will be only HR round on the basis of the experience of the candidate who had attempted the same interview last year. And I have not asked only just one candidate, I have asked multiple candidates, and on the basis of that, I am saying that there will not be any technical interview. There will be only HR round. So after that, I had told you few points that you should take care. T factor, I wall point, learning scenario. And after that, do you have to visit particular location to attend the interview? And I had told you that there will be telephonic interview. But it may be on Teams also and any other platform, because every year there may be certain changes in the pattern. Now will they ask for resume or CV? No, they will not ask, as they have all your details. Now the most important thing in this video, questions they may ask. Project, they will definitely ask question from your project, on which project you are working, what type of project do you have. Now domain, they will also ask about your domain, in which domain you are working. Are you in development, are you in testing, or are you in infrastructure services? And if you are in testing, then they will ask, have you tried in development? And if you have not tried in development, why you did not try in development? And all these type of things they will ask. And after that, they will ask about tools, on which tool you are working and how they are used and how they are beneficial to you. And daily task, they will also ask what are the daily tasks that have been assigned to you. Do you like those tasks? Which is your favorite task? Then they will ask a deep question from that task. And they may also ask which is most difficult task for you and how it is difficult for you. Learning from your domain, and this is important point. They will ask you that what have you learned from your domain. If you are in testing, what have you learned from testing till now, and what are you learning to perform better in your domain. Then they will ask about your learning plans for the future. So if you have not planned till yet, so you have to plan now just for your interview. Had anyone interview today? So guys, if anyone of you had interview today, I request you to mention the question that have been asked to you in interview in the comment section, so that it can help other candidate also in preparing for the interview. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel IT India.